Hello everyone! Today, we're going to talk about the amazing benefits of coconut oil for our hair. Coconut oil is not only a delicious and versatile ingredient in our cooking, but it can also be a fantastic natural remedy for our hair. Let's dive into the world of hair benefits of coconut oil. 1. Nourishment and moisturization. Coconut oil is packed with nutrients, including essential fatty acids, vitamins, and minerals. These nutrients help to nourish your hair from root to tip, leaving your hair soft, smooth, and hydrated. 2. Strength and damage repair. Coconut oil contains antioxidants that help to protect your hair from environmental damage, such as pollution and heat styling. This makes it an excellent treatment for damaged hair, including breakage, split ends, undualness. 3. Shine and tames frizz. Coconut oil has a natural shine that helps to control excess oil on your scalp, preventing frizz and making your hair more manageable. Apply a small amount on damp hair and massage it into your scalp. 4. Hair growth. Coconut oil contains vital nutrients that promote hair growth and stimulate blood circulation in the scalp. Massaging coconut oil on your scalp regularly can help to boost hair growth and improve overall hair health. 5. Pestle and mortar treatment. For a more traditional approach, you can mortar and pestle fresh coconut oil and mix it with your hair mask or treatment. This will provide a deeper conditioning effect for your hair. 6. Hair loss reduction. Coconut oil can help to reduce hair loss, as it contains essential nutrients that promote hair growth and keep your hair healthy. In conclusion, coconut oil is a fantastic natural remedy for your hair. Incorporate it into your hair care routine too. Enjoy its numerous benefits.